This Edgetech CTS740 countertop saw has a lot of options that increase ease of use and productivity. It also came from a non-countertop shop and shows limited use. Up top, you will find an optional dual laser alignment system that makes it easier to align the top before cutting. On either side of the saw, you will find optional 10-foot infeed and outfeed conveyors, allowing for support of material up to 13 foot 6 inches to either side of the blade. Between the conveyors and the saw, you will find optional support rings that are helpful when cutting short tops. This saw also has the optional variable MITER with digital readout for cutting non-standard angles between 0 degrees and 47 degrees. Of course, there are fixed stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. All 4 routers have been replaced with new DeWalt DW616 routers for serviceability. This Edgetech CTS740 is powered by a 5 horsepower 3,460 RPM main motor and a 1/2 horsepower drive motor featuring variable speed from 0 to 45 feet per minute. There are 4 independently positioned pneumatic hold-downs for different top sizes. This saw does have a 5 3/4 inch depth of cut with build down, a 3/4 inch max build down height, and a 4 7/8 inch max backsplash height. It has a 45 inch capacity crosscut at 90 degrees, a 42 inch capacity at 22.5 degrees, and a 31 inch capacity at 45 degrees.